There are two main ways to find the derivative of tangent squared of x, which are by using the chain rule and the product rule. Let's begin by using the chain rule. Tangent squared of x can actually be written as tangent of x squared, which is a composite function, so we can apply the chain rule to find its derivative. By using the chain rule, we let the inner function, which in this case is the tangent of x, to be represented as u. Since we have u equals tangent of x, we can rewrite the function as y equals u squared. According to the formula of the chain rule, we will first have to figure out dy over du, which can be obtained by taking the derivative of this equation with respect to u. We can do this by using the power rule, and we get its derivative as 2u, where the u is actually tangent of x, so we replace it into the equation. This dy over du is actually what we call it as taking the derivative of the outer function without changing the inner function. Then, we will have to multiply it by du over dx, which is the derivative of the equation u equals tangent of x. For the derivative of tangent of x, we know that it's equal to secant squared of x, so we replace it into the equation. This du over dx is actually what we call it as the derivative of the inner function, which in this case is the derivative of the tangent of x. And we've got our final answer, which is 2 multiplied by tangent of x multiplied by secant squared of x. That's how we take the derivative of tangent squared of x by using the chain rule. Now, let's proceed to the second method, which is the product rule. Just like what we did earlier, we can rewrite the function of tangent squared x into tangent x squared, which also means that it is tangent of x multiplied by another tangent of x. Since it is a product of functions, we can apply the product rule. By using the product rule, we first keep the first part of the function the same, which is tangent of x, and multiply it by the derivative of the second part, which is the derivative of tangent of x. Then, plus with the second part of the function, and multiply it by the derivative of the first part, which is also the derivative of tangent of x. For the derivative of tangent of x, we know that it's equal to secant squared of x. Since both terms are actually the same, we can add them up, and we end up with 2 multiplied by tangent of x, multiplied by secant squared of x. And we've got our final answer, which is the same as what we found earlier in the previous method. That's how we take the derivative of tangent squared x by using the chain rule and the product rule. Hope you guys enjoy this video and find it helpful. Thanks for watching.